Go, Faith. That should stop for running. Bye. Baby girl. Okay, guys. Good morning, guys. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Thank you all for watching. Oh, it's another day and it's what? It's Friday. The kids almost missed the bus. I don't even know how. Oh, we just have to run. Look at it. Abigail was running, a water bottle fell. Then Faith was running, uh, uh, her shoe, her crops came out of her leg. She was, it's a funny. Ooh. Good morning. Good morning. Okay, guys. Now I'm heading home. Oh, hold on. Okay, guys. Now I'm heading home. Let me go and work out today. Today I'll be on like my hair. I'm just gonna take out down my cornrow and braid it again. I want to make a wig today. Okay, I want to make a wig. Yes. First of all, let me go and do some, like, let's say 10 minutes workout or so. Then after I will braid, lose my hair and make wig. How you guys doing today? I hope you all are doing good. Good morning, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, depends on whatever time you are watching me from. You're welcome to Share with Love TV. I appreciate you guys. I appreciate your support, guys. Let's go on my home run. Let's go work out. Okay, guys, I'm back in the basement in my workout space, as you can see. Okay, I have this new jump rope I bought from Ross. Okay, literally the other jump rope that I have, like the digital one, they just broke. Okay, first of all, one got broken like few weeks ago. Okay, then I have two, and I was using the other one. Now the other one is broken. Okay, let me show you guys. Look at, I don't even know, this digital one, they don't even last. I don't know, maybe it's the quality of the rope, or I can't understand. Look at this two. This one, I was using this, okay, it's this one that got broken the first time. Okay, this one got broken, then I have to tie it over here. I just tie it, then I'm using it to jump, but the length is not giving anymore. Then I bought this one, like, this one is not even up to a month. Look at, the thing just broke yesterday. Look at, it just broke yesterday. Yes, it broke like 2 days ago, not yesterday, because yesterday I bought this one yesterday. Okay, it broke 2 days ago. Oh, look at it, guys. Look at it. Now I have two digital jumper that is not working anymore, and this thing costs like about 11. This one was $11, and the other one was $14. Okay, look at, they're not working anymore. Then 2 days ago, okay, yesterday, me and my friend, we went to Ross. Okay, we went to Ross, and I just found this one. This one is not digital. Okay, this one is not digital. It's just like you have to, it's just like the old one I used to have when I started jumping rope. You just have to count with your mat. Okay, just have to count by yourself. But by the meantime, I will be using this before I buy another digital one. Okay, Thank God I found this one yesterday from Ross, and it was a $3.99. It wasn't even expensive compared to the digital one. I don't know if you guys can see the price. Yes, it's $3.99. Okay, let me take it there. Oh, I'm supposed to bring scissors. Let me see if I can open it without scissors. I don't want to go upstairs. Okay. Okay. Wasn't bad. Just I need scissors, but anyway. Find a way to slide it. Find a way to improvise. I don't want to go upstairs and go get scissors. I'm too lazy to go to do that right now. Okay, I've taken that. Okay, it's pretty long. Ooh, it says it's 6 feet. How many feet? Let's see how long it is. Oh, 9 feet. 9 feet. But this one I have to find a way. Let me use it. No, my teeth will not work. I have to go upstairs soon. And I don't want to go upstairs. Okay, this is it, guy. Let's try it. Okay, what I will do anytime I'm jumping, I'm just going to lie down my mat and jump on top of the mat. Okay, maybe that will help the life. We save the rope, because when I'm doing it on the bed floor, I think maybe that is why it's getting like a little bit more damaged. But next time when I have to use this one now, I'm just gonna put my mat on the floor and jump on it. Maybe that way the mat will protect the rope. Okay guys, let's begin to work at. Okay guys, I am finally back guys. This is many hours later. Okay, I've been cooking. Sorry I did not take you guys along. Okay, it's raining. Okay, and I decided to cook guess what, egusi pepper soup. Okay, it's right here, as you can see, oilless egusi soup, egusi pepper soup. Then I also made shawarma. Okay, when the kids come back from school, I'll just give them a shawarma to eat. Then now I'm about to wash my dishes. Okay, cut that place full of dishes that I need to wash guys. I've been busy cooking. I didn't even get to video it, but now I'm done. The soup is almost ready. I make shawarma too. Let me show you guys. See, I make shawarma. Look at it. I'm just gonna keep it inside the microwave. Then when the children are back from school, they just snack on this before we eat dinner. Okay, I've done a lot guys. I've done a lot. Right now it's just 10 minutes after 1. 10 minutes after 1. I'm a little bit tired. Immediately I finished working out, I came straight to the kitchen and I start cooking. Now it's time for me to do the dishes. First of all, let me show you guys the soup. Okay, you guys want to see? This is the soup, guys. It's egusi pepper soup. Perfect for the weather. It's raining. Decided to cook egusi pepper soup. That's the soup. Okay, guys. Now it's time for me to wash. Don't mind my face, okay? I told you guys that earlier that I'm just gonna take down my braid and my cornrow, but let me just finish cooking. After I finish cooking, I'll go and do it. Maybe I might not show that in the video, but I don't know yet. Let's see how it goes. First of all, let me wash these dishes, okay? Let's wash the dishes, shall we? Let's wash the dishes together. Okay. Okay guys, I think I want to end the vlog right here. I'm tired, I'm exhausted. I just need to go freshen up. Okay, then no, before I freshen up I have to take down my braid. Look at, it's all messy, don't judge me. Okay. I have to take it down, then take my, do whatever I want to do. Okay, thank you all for watching. I appreciate you guys. If you are new here, please don't forget to subscribe, put on your bell so that you'll be notified anytime I post a video, guys. I love you. Ooh, my leg is hurting so bad. Been standing. Okay guys, see you all in my next one. Bye. Make sure you thumbs up the video. Okay, thumbs up the video, like the video, and share. Bye guys, one love.